Hey girl, welcome back. If you are not into dancing on TikTok, if you're not trying to go viral, or even if you don't want to be online 24/7, this video is going to be for you. I think you're going to enjoy this video because I get it. You want to make money online, but you want it to feel good, right? You want privacy. You want peace. You want to be able to do these things without showing your face. A lot of women that I talk to love the privacy thing, like not having to show their face, wanting to do this like in an incognito way. Yeah, I get you. And today I want to talk about how you can build a real digital income without being everywhere or showing your face every single day. So I've been sitting on the sidelines, kind of thinking that I can do, what if I could do this, but I didn't have to be on camera all the time? And I want you to stay with me, okay? I want to show you how exactly that this is going to work. Because even though I'm showing my face now, your girl got some ideas and how she can build a separate brand faceless without showing my face. When I first came online, I thought visibility meant exhaustion. Like out showing up, me everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, even dabbing into TikTok, trying to keep up with the trends, the hashtags, the reels. Yes, especially when I was in publishing. I remember one night sitting at my desk, I was thinking, look, listen, this can't be it, because I want to be successful, but if it depends on me doing this every single day to live, I don't know if I can do this every single day. Not be everywhere. Not this what I'm doing now, but like trying to be everywhere and do everything. So that's when I started learning about what I now call quiet marketing. Like, and it's not about disappearing. It's about showing up differently, right? It changed everything for me because I even now in my business do some quiet marketing where I don't have to. I think YouTube is like the only place that I really, have to show my face, or not have to, but show my face. So I want to talk about quiet marketing, like what it really means, how it works, especially if you're reselling digital products or running a done-for-you business. There are 3 ways to market your business without being everywhere or even showing your face every single day. And the first one is faceless content. Now, faceless doesn't mean invisible, right? You can create content using screen recordings, stock video clips, quotes, tips, and behind the scenes images, your voice without your face. You can also talk over B-roll, like using slides, create simple tutorials showing your screen while explaining a concept. The goal is really connection and not exposure. And guess what? Like, people buy from energy. So if your message carries peace, it carries what they want, what they're looking for, and that's how they're feeling, they're going to feel it whether you show your face or not, okay? The second way is email plus automation. So if social media drains you, then you want to focus on your email list. Emails might be a favorite thing for you. When you learn to write one good email, something that tells a story, gives value, or, shares your journey, that email works for you forever. So inside the reseller model, you can build a calm, automated email sequence as well that nurtures your audience quietly in the background while you live your life. Automation is peace. Automation is what is good. It's the bomb, and it's great when it's on autopilot. Okay. So if you're that type, let's say you have a faceless YouTube channel, your focus, you might want to put a lot of emphasis on growing your email list, meaning every video needs to lead to a link that's going to have people to put their name and email address in so that they are on your email list. So you might want to put a huge emphasis. And when I say that, that means every piece of content needs to lead to you building your email list. That might be a thing for you. I know a couple of creators that do this, that they run faceless Instagrams. I even know a few that run faceless YouTubes. Even when I first started on YouTube, I was faceless. The goal wasn't to be faceless, but at the same time, I was, because my videos, I wouldn't do face-to-face content. It took a long time before I do face-to-face content. I think I have a few old videos here. When I'm promoting a tool called Pensight, I don't even think I showed my face in those because I always use slides. Now I show my face now, but that's how I built my YouTube channel. I made a lot of money doing faceless. But every now and then I would show my face with my slides, but very rarely. That's why I was able to kick out videos like clockwork, because I didn't have to get dressed to show my face to be on YouTube. So you can do this faceless. You have to be strategic about how you go about this, but it definitely can be done. And number 3 is community over exposure. Like, you don't need a big following. Trust me, you don't. You just need a small aligned community. Okay. That's why I love Telegram and I love private spaces. You can create a quiet community where people who are truly interested can really connect, they can learn, and they can grow with you without the noise on social media. That's what my soft life circle is. I have it on Telegram, and it's not about performing in there. It's about belonging. So if you are not into like constant content creation, build the spaces, not the stage. Okay. Allow the stage to lead to your space, your own private space. Here's what I know to be true. You don't need to do the most to make money online, girl. You do not. You just need a message. You need a system. You need a link to carry people to, and a way to show up that feels aligned with who you are. Yes, you can make $500 plus days without being known. You can build digital income without constant visibility. You can't let your system speak for you. This is what a peaceful business looks like, a soft business. Because at the end of the day, your face isn't the brand, your energy is. And if that energy says, I'm confident, I'm trustworthy, especially when you're showing up in a consistent way, you already done the hard part. Okay, you already done the hard part. As quiet as it's kept, our energy always speaks for us. Our energy will always go before our face does, before what we do. And this is a woman, I show up with my face. But I know even when I record my videos, there's a certain level of energy that I know I must have. Okay? If I'm tired, I'm not going to record a video. If I'm sad, I'm not going to record a video. Okay? If I'm frustrated about something, I'm not going to record a video, because that my energy will always perceive what I'm saying and even what I look like. So if you've been holding back because you thought you had to show your face, post 3 times a day, or even do the viral dances. I don't even think they dance anymore on TikTok. Okay. Please know this is your permission slip. Okay. You can actually build a quiet business. Okay. You can earn daily. You can earn income how you want, and you can stay true to who you are. Okay. Inside the Soft Life Reseller Blueprint, I show you exactly how to market your business in a calm, consistent way, because I do give you faceless content that you can create. Even if you've never done this before, I walk you through step by step how to set up your system, create simple content, and let your automations do the heavy lifting for you. Okay. And once you grab the blueprint, you're going to get access to join me inside the Soft Life Circle on Telegram. And that's where women just like you are building digital businesses that fit their lives and not one that takes over it. So I want you to remember this. If I don't say anything else, please know that you don't have to be everywhere. Please know that you can be aligned with who you are and where you want to go and how you want to do this thing. You bring your vision and what you want to do, and I promise you, the money is going to flow. Okay, the money is going to flow, and I absolutely love teaching women, to do this in a soft way without creating from scratch. Like, who does that? That's so 2005. Okay. We leverage over here. We leverage and we create assets for our businesses. Okay. So if you love this content, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And also hype your girl up. There's a little hype button that you can hype me up. I would love for you to hype me up. And again, don't forget to go get that guide because I'm sharing with you step by step how you can build your soft life business. Everything. I even have a video training in there too, even showing you how you can make changes to the guide because yes, you do get resale rights. Yes, I didn't mention that, but you do get resale rights. So you get the right to resell this guide and I show you how to make changes to it so that you can also use it for your business. Okay. Because the information, honey, is great. Is chef's kiss. Okay. It is amazing. When you apply the information and you can take that same guide and you can resell it. So even if it's your first digital product, I'm handing you that as well. Okay. So go ahead and get the guide below. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask them below. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side. All right. I'll talk to you soon, girl.